Good morning, cuties. I am horribly balanced right now, apparently. I am not doing great. I woke up pretty sick today. I keep coughing a lot. And now that I said coughing, I want to cough. But I'm gonna try not to do it on camera. Nope. Had a little one. It was a little one. So I don't know about being able to go out tonight. I'm gonna try, and I've been having lots of medicine and tea and stuff, hopefully making myself feel better. On the upside, new video is up. The Osaka shrines and temples that I went to, with a bit more detailed information and a lot of B-roll footage, because my original plan for the video had to change but when I got there because of the influx of human life that I was suddenly surrounded by. So that changed. Yeah, and that's all I've done really so far today. I've just kind of been getting up and working my way through trying to not feel ill. So we'll see what happens with the rest of the day. We'll see. My voice, as you can probably hear, is not doing so well. It's a little scratchy. It's a little not so great. So we'll see what happens. I'm not sure what to do today. I could edit another video, but I kind of just want to take my last day of vacation to just kind of chill. You know? Maybe watch some web series. Yeah, I don't know. Just relax and not worry too much, because then, you know, the work week starts. And I'll get really, really busy. So, I don't know. Figure out what to do. Although, thank you for your insight on my goals from last video. Thank you very much for those. Maybe that's what I'll do today. I'll restart the Patreon, or at least start figuring out what I'll do with the Patreon and stuff. Ooh. I'm gonna go now. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, bye. Sailor Moon socks are of vital importance to making oneself feel better. Guys, I'm out of tea. Where's the tea? Where's the tea? Oh. Glad we didn't panic. Right, so pretty much the day has come to a conclusion, and since that last clip of today, I have basically just been non-stop, that was perfect timing, non-stop coughing, and it's really annoying, and I think I need to run to the drugstore and actually get more cough medicine. I've been taking like cough drops and stuff, but it's not helping. So I think I don't want to go out there because it's cold. Oh, and it's kind of far. But I really need something because I have to work tomorrow, and obviously I didn't go to Nagoya because I was coughing fits of horribleness. So I can't even. I should probably just go get the medicine. I don't want to go outside though. Damn it. Alright, so I'm braving the cold right now. It's actually not too bad right now, but I just got a little weirded out because I was leaving my apartment. You can't see much right now, but there was this guy who, I thought he was on a bike, but then I got closer and I found he wasn't on a bike, but he was holding like a bag and stuff. And then he kept like I'm on like this side of the road back there, and he was coming down the other side, but then as I got closer, he walked closer to my side, and then he reached in his jacket, and I got really paranoid right there. So that was creepy. And now there's people with flashlights walking down this way. Oh, no, they're they're walking a dog. Okay. But that was really creepy. And see, he was kind of stumbling a bit. I don't know if he was drunk or what, but that was creepy. And that was just weird. It's really weird. Drugstore saved me from this cough. Oh dear God, why? I didn't think coughs could get worse. I was wrong. BB Alley walking home, so not gonna get murdered tonight. Hey!